this video, I will show you how easy it is to polish lips on rims without any expensive equipment. This is a fairly easy process, but requires patience and hard work. To begin with, we can divide wheel rims into different types. For example, there are monoblocks and rims consisting of several parts, 2-piece or 3-piece, but this is a topic for a separate video. In this video, we polish the lips on these 3-piece BBS LM rims. Most often, the lips on such rims are simply polished aluminium that is not coated with any varnish. The environment around us negatively affects aluminium and it corrodes. Therefore, lips become dim every day, and also strong car shampoos contain alkali, which speeds up this process. First, we need to disassemble the wheel rims, separate the center from the rim. I use special sockets because each wheel factory has its own fasteners. For your wheels, you can find them at any car parts store. By the way, it helps a lot to have rollers on which the wheel can rotate. This greatly speeds up the process. Well, we got the central part. I inspect all mounting bolts to ensure there are no broken ones. Then, using a special rubber attachment on the drill, I remove the glue from the balancing wires. This attachment does not damage the paint by carefully removing the glue. This is not necessary, I just like it when there is nothing superfluous. I collect the bolts so as not to lose them. Next, I shampoo everything and blow off drops of water with an air gun. The most important things you will need are muslin, polishing pots, and polishing paste. They are very cheap and can be ordered on any online marketplace. I use a basic buffing wheel and a finishing buffing wheel. The main part is quite hard and the finishing wheel is very soft. Using a drill, I apply the paste to the buffing wheel and begin to rub the paste into the wheel rim. This is the hardest part. You need to rub the paste evenly in all places until a mirror shine appears. To achieve an ideal result, you must first sand your lips with sandpaper. I have been restoring wheel rims for over 10 years now, and if you are interested, I can record a video where I'll tell you what kind of sandpaper I use to sand the lips properly, and maybe a couple of secrets and life hacks. Write in comments below if you are interested. Then I take the finishing buffing wheel and repeat the process, only I try not to press as hard. The finishing paste removes all small scratches on the lip, and eventually our lips start to shine. You can experiment with different pastes and processing times. Now all that remains is to assemble the rim in reverse order and tighten the bolts to the correct torque. It depends on the diameter of the bolt. Well, in my opinion, the rim shines no worse than when it was new. This is the result I got in just 30 minutes of my time. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and write in comments below, would you like to see more videos like this on my channel?